Welcome to the channel. Today we will explore how time appraisal surveys have become an essential tool for identifying areas for improvement in time management within organizations. The image highlights how these surveys allow you to analyze time use, detect inefficiencies, and automate repetitive tasks to improve productivity. If you want to optimize the use of time in your company and maximize efficiency, this video is for you. The main objectives of time surveys serve, for example, to identify low value-added tasks. Surveys help to identify activities that do not add strategic value and can be automated or eliminated. For example, in a sales department, the survey might reveal that employees spend many hours entering data into the CRM, a task that can easily be automated. One benefit may be that it frees up time for higher impact tasks, such as customer service or business strategy development. Assess workload and detect imbalances. Surveys provide a clear view of how responsibilities are distributed, identifying possible overloads on some employees. For example, a software development team might find that some developers are overloaded with maintenance tasks, while others have spare capacity. The benefit can be to reallocate tasks equitably to improve efficiency and reduce the risk of burnout. Detect bottlenecks in operational processes. These surveys identify activities that slow down internal processes. An example might be in a production plant. It might be revealed that a lack of proper tooling is delaying machine setup. The benefit can be that eliminating bottlenecks speeds up processes and improves response times. Opportunities for automation and delegation can be: identify repetitive tasks amenable to automation. Identify activities that can be managed by software or artificial intelligence. For example, in a human resources department, it could automate the scheduling of interviews, significantly reducing the time spent on this task. One benefit may be that it frees up time for employees to focus on more strategic tasks. Delegate responsibilities to optimize time use. Surveys also help identify tasks that can be delegated. An example might be: a project manager who spends time preparing reports can delegate this task to an administrative assistant. One benefit may be that it improves team productivity by allowing leaders to focus on higher impact activities. Providing data for strategic decision-making derives in generating a comprehensive diagnosis of time use. Surveys allow to understand how time is used in different areas, identifying the main opportunities for improvement. For example, a diagnostic can reveal that customer service employees spend 30% of their time answering repetitive emails, something that could be automated. A serious benefit is that it prioritizes areas for intervention and allows specific action plans to be designed. Identify areas for training and skills development. Surveys can reveal training needs to improve efficiency in certain tasks. For example, a sales team may need training in the use of their CRM to reduce the time spent on manual data entry. The benefit would be to invest in training to improve productivity and ensure effective use of tools. Measuring the impact of time improvement strategies. Surveys can be used to evaluate the results of implemented initiatives. For example, after automating administrative tasks, a company can use surveys to measure the reduction in time spent on these tasks. The benefit would be to adjust strategies to maximize the impact on productivity. Time appraisal surveys are powerful tools for identifying areas for improvement, optimizing resources, and making strategic decisions. Implementing them correctly can transform the way your company manages time and maximize productivity. If you want to implement time surveys in your organization to improve time management and increase efficiency, contact me on LinkedIn for a personalized consultation. Together, we will design a strategy tailored to your needs. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more content and learn how to buy time for your day-to-day business.